Yeah, hi, Peter in Australia. This is Mark in London, England. Just to let you know, I've done your laser. Um, I've done your laser for your Beosound1. You can see it all working there. Yeah, basically the laser head's faulty, as you already knew that. That's why you sent it. But yeah, I've given it a service. It's nice. The cogs are tight, nice and tight on this. So no wear on there at all. Part is in pretty good condition. It's not all that old really anyway. It's a 1255, I think it is. So yeah, it's all running. You can go up in the tracks. Yeah, so you can hear it going up. Well, you can actually see it moving there if you look close enough. See that? Yeah, so we're working. I'm going to turn it off. So I'll just turn it off. We'll play again. Turn it up. Yeah. So there you go. Okay, Pierre, thank you very much anyway. As soon as I get some funds, I'll send that priority mail. You got a 6-month guarantee, 6-month warranty on it, parts and labour. We do ask that you pay the shipping if you get any problems, but you shouldn't get any problems. So yeah, thank you very much, and hope to do more business with you in the future. Thank you.